go. Okay. Now you guys should be able to hear what's going on, right? Hello, Echololo. There we go. It's fixed now. Who gave him his mouth back? For real. Such a crime. Genuinely. Serpentine ingot. That's a new one. Music too silent. What do you mean? Did you mean too quiet? I can turn it up a little bit, but I have a feeling that it's actually not too quiet. Shut molten rock. You literally asked for this. Okay, now we got a couple of people in. So let me show you what's going on here. Give it a minute to load. Here we go. So, I have successfully added the guy to the game, and he does things, I guess. I mean, he kind of just sits there. But whoa, my frame rate. He does play his idle animation. Besides that, he does a whole lot of nothing. So, bro is happy. Thank you, Tartrap. So, he's not going to spit venomous ooze, Echo. The first thing we need to do is make it so that when I punch him around, he's not bouncing. So I'm gonna make his attack for knockback resistance pretty high. But hey, that's just a theory. A game theory. Thanks for watching. A conspiracy theory. Oh. Okay, now he shouldn't move when I punch him. Oh, there he goes. He's Alright, now let's get his hitbox done properly, because right now, this probably isn't what his hitbox should be. I'm thinking he needs to be like 2.5 tall. So let's see if that... Let's see if that works. Yeah, I do gotta record sounds. Did I make the candy cavity and call it the pastel bomb? No. This is not... This is not a candy cave. I mean, I guess it might look like it color-wise, but there are slight differences. Alright, so... that was the wrong direction. Yeah, it's brittle. These are not gummy creatures. I will be adding rock candy to the biome, just because of the funny. I mean, everyone keeps saying it looks edible. Creeper origin story, for real. Finally eat the rock. It's not made of the rock candy. You can make rock candy with it. Oh. That's annoying. Okay, you know what? I have an idea. In the entity class, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a private block position or did I not? Planted equals null. And then here in tick, I'm gonna say if this dot planted equals null, this dot planted equals this dot position. Doesn't seem to like that. Changing this to vec3. This dot position equals this dot planted. Do I have to use set position? I do. Okay, this dot planted. There we go. That should make it immune to all movement. Yummy mosquitoes in my tummy. Can you bite the plant back? I mean, I guess you could try. Probably not a great idea, but you're welcome to go for it. Ignorious, ingenious, Mr. 220. That's what you sound like, Echo. Okay, that looks like he's not moving. Oh, now I can't get rid of the water. Die. Thy end is now. Prepare thyself. Wonderful. Now, let's go ahead. We're going to add some head rotation to this guy. Which I already have the basics for here, I think. I just need to get the rest. Maybe I don't sound like that. That's what you sound like. Oh, hello, Mudgeon. You seem new. So yeah, I'm gonna have to look at Calpinjo's tutorial here. Should I not? Specify what the head is? We're gonna see if this works. My favorite Minecraft parody song? I have genuinely no clue. It's been way too long since I've listened to one of those. It might also just be because I'm in creative. Yeah, see, bro's not turning at all. Oh, I did not give him any goals. Okay, so where is... Yeah, here we go. Okay. Forget what the goal is, there. Did I do a fanfic stream yet? No one finished their fanfictions yet. Hello, Mudgeon. And no, not quite Charamaro. We're just basically doing some, like, little number tweaks. Igneo, how does it taste like? Are you talking about the biome? Wait, that is a real thing. What are you talking about? The fanfic? He seems confused. We'll rotate. maybe I clamped it too hard. Let's 180, because I want his stem to rotate, but not his flower. Oh yeah, I don't want that to change at all. There. Okay. At least his leaves are on beat. Yes, that is the point. He's just a dancing little guy. What's the creature smell like? What does the hue stone taste like? Does it taste like leaves? Bro, what are you all talking about? Y'all want to eat this biome really bad. Okay, well, I'll give you a hint. Have you ever eaten sand? That's what it tastes like. Hello, Ficus. I think he's a little confused. He'll move, but not much. Why isn't he moving? Is it because of the animation? Let's see if stopping the animation makes it work. What does the torch taste like? It tastes like fire. Music is a bit too loud, I'll turn it down. There's that better. What's the plants smell like? Y'all are crazy. Absolutely bonkers. And no echo, it's not made of flesh. They're all crystals. Well, I guess you could technically say some are made of flesh, but not really. Bro looks like he saw a ghost. Okay, so that obviously was not the problem. No, it tastes like y'all are arguing over the taste of a fiction. Okay. Whatever. Oh, I see. I gave each the wrong values. Should also give proper priority for the looking at me goal. Alright. Look at me. Oh. He's still a little confused. Come on, I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Okay. Bros, I don't think he can do it. It's also completely backwards. This is unfortunate. Yeah, bro is completely backwards. Let me go ahead and, whoa. Okay. Now we're going to export Java entity. There. Now we're gonna take all of that. Not that one. There we go. And paste it all in here. There. Let's see if that fixed it. Igneo flavored Mountain Dew. Dude, are you guys just hungry or something? Do you need a snack? Dang, I wish I could give you one. Y'all are just gonna have to starve. Skill issue. Okay, now you should know how to look at me. Look at me, my child. Oh, come on. I don't know how all your goals work. I get it's just like a random chance for you to start looking at me. Come on, man. Just once. Hey! Okay, so we know that the looking at me part actually works. Bro, he doesn't have eyes. He can't look at you. The crystal knows who and why and what you are at all times. You can't hide from the crystal. You absolute buffoon. Okay. Oh my god. Some more interesting behavior. He can look at you, he just doesn't want to. Bro is not impressed by his father. For real. Okay, so... Why? There we go. And if I look at the, look at player goal, yeah. 'Tis only a chance. So that's why he didn't do it. That makes sense. Okay, so... Spellcaster use spell goal, what? Oh, it's the evoker. Okay, so... Ooh. I don't know, can I just change it to melee attack goal? Like, surely it's not that simple. Oh. Okay, so I need a melee attack goal. Needs to be this dot target. Right? Oh. Can I just say this? Okay, now we say 0 and true. Okay, well, obviously we also need a target, so... We're gonna do a new target goal. Not sure what I'm supposed to be doing here. I think we do this and no. There. I don't think that's gonna work, but I guess we'll see. What are y'all talking about in there? Igneo, will you explode Echolotl 3 at the start of the server? Yes, I absolutely will. For real, Doc, or I guess you're spitting facts. Oh, now you're leaving? How dare you? Okay, so obviously I don't think he cares for me because I'm in creative. Hi, hi. Ah, whoa! Okay, now he cares about me. Oh my god, I'm so cool. Okay. Obviously, he's not too happy after I hit him. If I get too close, yet he will absolutely attack me. So... I apologize, Mr. Yi-Man. Although, are you sure it's the weekend? Because it's totally Monday for me. I've heard some damage. Well, that's also without armor. I mean, considering these guys literally can't move, it kind of makes sense that they should be dealing a lot of damage. Okay, so... I don't want to do zombie attack goal. This is not gonna let me use that one. Why not? Let's do the evil rabbit. What? Oh, maybe it's melee attack goal. Dot. No. Okay. Oh, that has to be a zombie. That's weird. So Is there not a generic monster attack goal? Oh. Okay, so I do want the normal melee attack goal. I just also need a get target goal. So I don't even know what that means. For real. Now we can't leave. He's forced to be here for all eternity. Yeah, what do you want, Echo? Huh? Opinion on drug sell? I think drugs sell money. Make money. That's what I think. Alright, let's go ahead and heal me up there. What happens if I go near you at all? Okay, so you still don't like it, and I have to get close to you. Well, maybe the problem is that I gave them all the same number. So we can try that. Okay. So that obviously doesn't work. Maybe I need it to return through. I do not know what Kayaba is. Yep. This, still doesn't work. Oh. I'm just in the kitchen today, and then suddenly my entire right side of my shoulder and neck just decided to like What the heck did I just try to say? It decided to hurt like hell? I didn't even sleep on it wrong. It just randomly decided while I was standing. Like... I don't know, man. Oh, that's because I need nearest attackable target. Alright, and you're the player class. Must see is false. This is why Echo's never getting promoted. Neo's decaying. It's true. Bit of chat in this Echo monologue, yeah. It's the only thing keeping us from insanity. Hey, do you care about my present? Oh wait, I'm not even inscribed. Yo, let's go! And he always looks at me. Isn't that wonderful? What minute in an hour is your favorite? How do you guys come up with these questions? 30-second one, by the way. Also, mind, I do not know what your latest hyperfixation is. I ain't keeping track of that. How many E's? There are 5, Echo. Oh, unless we're talking about the ones in your name. In which case there's 10. Oh, I'm gonna get blown up by the sun if I don't keep track of your hyperfixations. Echo, that is mine. Oh, you know what? I probably don't have all the messages turned on again. Doesn't look like it changed anything, though. What do you mean there's 3 E's in his name? Oh, there's a counter. That's definitely a counter. Okay. Now that we got this guy to actually attack things, He's G. Oh, yeah. My bad. Whoops. Oh, wait, is that G actually admitting to being mined in the server? That's actually crazy, because last time I said you were mined, you actually completely denied it. You're min. Duh. Mind. You don't know who Mind is. The lore guy. Mid. You know, you also just so happened to appear at the same time that Mind said he could get on. Okay, now I think that's all we really need to do. I mean, we need to get his, like, attack animation in. What's lore? Alright, let's get...
Donald Trump wakes up thinking about himself, how to enrich himself and his billionaire friends, stay out of jail, and give himself more power. Kamala Harris will work across the aisle and fight for a future that's not just about getting by, but getting ahead.
That's what I want to hear.
Did you know it's made with coffee milk? It's sweet and creamy, by the way.
Chocolate!
They're on the attack, and let's add an attack animation to our entity. Oh, right before I can tell you more in this tutorial.
Okay. Now I will learn how to make an attack.
We're going to be adding an attack animation to our custom entity, namely, of course, the Rhino right here. Now, the real secret is that, well, the attack animation was with us all along. As you can see, when we exported this, the attack animation was there, and we basically just need to, well, somehow trigger the animation, which is, I'm not going to say, like, more complicated than you might think, but it does involve making a custom goal. And that's basically going to be the main thing that we need to take a look at. So, first of all, we basically want to make the same thing that we've done with the idle animation, but with the attack animation. So, when is this actually going to play? The way that this is going to work is in a couple of ways. Firstly, I'm going to make an entity data accessor. So, I'm just going to add this, and I'm going to explain what that craziness is. This is an entity data accessor of type Boolean or attacking, and this is equal to a synced data entity data that define ID, Rhino entity.class, and then entity data serializers.boolean. So this looks absolutely
okay. So we're gonna go up here. We need the funny variable. Private static. Final. Entity data accessor. Boolean. Attacking will equal synced entity data dot define ID crystal sentry entity dot class entity data serializers dot boolean.
absolutely freaking crazy, but what is it?
Amazing.
Basically, it is just a Boolean that automatically synchronizes between the server and the client when we change it. That's basically the level of abstraction that you need for this. The rest is details that you don't really need to think about.
Cool.
We will need another animation state and timeout over here, so I'm going to call this the attack animation state and the attack animation timeout. There you go. And then a couple of helper methods as well as a very, very important method. So when we have an entity data accessor, we need to call the define synced data method right here. It's extremely important that we keep the super here, and we want to say this.entity data.define passing
Okay, so we need to define synced data. This dot entity data dot define attacking boolean. Okay, that's obviously not how to do it.
In attacking, and the default value is going to be false. If we
Oh, default value. This default value is false.
don't do this, then we will get an error and the game will crash, I believe. We're also going to make a public void set attacking, just with a boolean attacking, and that's just going to do this entity data dot set, passing in the attacking boolean right here, and then passing in the attacking right there, and then also to check what it is going to be a public boolean is attacking, which is going to return this entity data dot get.
All right, and then right above it, we will make it public void set attacking with a boolean we can pass in to change it. That's how you spell attacking, by the way, chat. Attacking this dot entity data dot set attacking. Wow, it doesn't like that. Why not?
Get, and then passing in attacking.
Oh. There we go. And then you can do public boolean is attacking boolean attacking return this dot entity data dot get attacking.
Over here, and there we go. So that's going to be the three methods that we're going to need. And another thing in the setup animations here is basically the idea of when are we attacking, right? So this is going to be the following. So we're going to say this stuff is attacking. So if we are attacking and the attack animation timeout is smaller or equal to 0. If this is the case, then we're going to set the timeout to 80. Now this is the length in ticks of your animation. So this should always be, so in our case it's 80 because my animation is 4 seconds long. If you take a look at this, the attack animation, you can see it's exactly 4 seconds long, and the actual hit happens at exactly.
Okay, now I gotta take a look at my fight animation. How long is this thing? Okay, 2.5 seconds long, which means it's 2 times 20, 40, 50 ticks long.
2 seconds. This will be important in just a moment when we actually create the goals. So if any of these numbers are different for you,
So we want to go back to, where is it? Setup animation states. And directly below, we're going to say, why is there no if state? Whatever. What else would we say? This dot is attacking Did I do a silly? I sure did. This dot is attacking and attack animation. Did I not make that? I need to change this to attack. Attack animation. Not that one. Timeout equals 50.
You will need to either try out or calculate the numbers for you. This is one example, so there we go. Also, this is an if statement. I don't know where the if all of a sudden went, but there you go. And then we want to say attack
Okay, so you did mean to put an if statement there. Thought so.
animation state dot start, passing in this dot tick count, and there we go. In an else,
Okay, so we're gonna say attack animation state dot start and
statement, we're going to do minus minus this dot attack
yes, this dot tick count.
animation timeout, and there we go. But we also want
Yes, that's right. We need to do the else this dot tech animation timeout. Yeah, and we need the 2 minus signs right here.
to do something, and that is if we're no longer attacking, this that is attacking is false, then we want to say attack animation state dot stop, because we don't want to finish the animation, we immediately want to stop the animation if we're no longer attacking, basically. So the logic of the animation is now set. We only need to now make sure that the animation state right here knows of the animation definition. That is once again done in the Rhino model, and it is actually as easy as duplicating the animate right here. Here we're going to say the attack animation state, and instead of the idle animation, we're going to choose the Rhino attack animation. Oh, we run into the same issue that the attack is never triggered anywhere, right? So we're not using the set attacking method right here, because in this case, we're not doing that. So how do we fix that? How are we going to, well, deal with that? Well, we're going to make a new package right here called this AI, and this is going to be our very own Rhino attack goal. In theory, you could also...
Okay. Entity. Or wait, no. Entity package AI, and we're going to make a new Crystal Sentry attack goal.
to make a static class inside of the Rhino entity, I've chosen to just make a new class because I think that's a little bit easier. This is going to extend the melee attack goal class right here. We're going to hover over this and implement the, or first of all, create constructor matching super.
Extends melee attack goal and create constructor matching super.
And that's actually all we need. Now, I will be copying over major parts of this class because it is just going to be a little bit easier. So we're first of all going to have an entity, an attack delay. This is the delay from the beginning of the animation right here, right, until the actual attack happens, exactly, well, 40 ticks, right, or 2 seconds. Very important.
See if you guys said anything important while I was watching this. Explain how I plan to fix temperature. I can't. I do not know. Echo, you are so Wheatley. Oh, this is strange. My other shoulder is starting to hurt now. That's fun. Whatever. Now we're gonna go into this GitHub repository here, and inside we will find entity AI Rhino attack. I'm totally stealing these.
And then it ticks until next attack, which is going to be 40, because once again, this is when the first attack hits, and then the next animation starts in another 40 ticks. So that is quite important. We want to set the entity to p mob. Cast, and this is going to be the Rhino entity. There you go. And then a couple of methods. So once again, I will.
Oh, it's right here.
we'll be copying over basically most of this class. This is available to you, so no worries at all, and we'll basically go through what each of the different things mean. First of all, a start method. That basically just is, hey, we're starting this goal, and when the goal starts, we want to set the attack delay as well as...
Alright, we need to copy the start function. And now what?
As the ticks until next attack to 40 each, right? Both of them should be 40. That's going to be very straightforward and hopefully understandable. We then have two methods, one of which is actually going to be the stop method, which, well, we're just going to say, hey, entity, set attack, and false. This is the...
Okay, the tick and the stop.
moment when we are no longer attacking, right? We're stopping this particular goal and we no longer want to attack. In the tick method, we're basically just saying, hey, right, should I count until the next attack? If I do, then I basically just count. This is just a countdown, so to speak, right? So it counts down to 0, and if it hits 0, then it stays at 0. That is the idea. And this is going to be evaluated in another method. But for that method, we need quite a few, like an array of methods. I'm just going to copy all of them over once again. This particular class and all the other rest of the code is all available to you, so there should be no issues at all. Right, so there you go. So we have the perform.
Okay, now we copy the rest of the methods.
Perform attack method, that is actually a method from the melee attack roll as well. Once again in the goals, highly recommended to basically take a look at those as well. And you can see the perform attack basically it resets the cooldown, so it sets the ticks until next attack to the attack delay times 2. Reason being is once the attack happened once, from one attack to the next, it's no longer 40 ticks, it's now 80 ticks, right? Because we're waiting until the end of the animation and then another 20 ticks until the next attack happens. It's just basic maths, it's just a phase offset because the actual
There's a delay. Where does he set the 80 tick?
attack, right, the hitting, the hurting of the entity happens at 2 seconds, and then to go from that 2 seconds to the next 2 seconds, right, to like 6 seconds, it takes 4 seconds already, right, instead of 2. That's basically the reason why this is sort of being reset first to 40 and then to 2 times 40 with 80. Right, the big one is the check and perform attack method, that basically checks whether or not the enemy is within reach. If it is within reach, then we're basically starting to count over here. If it is the time to attack, then we're setting the attacking to true, and this is going to trigger the animation starting to play, and that is going to take exactly 40 ticks then until the perform attack is told. Right here, it's time to attack. Basically says if the ticks until next attack is smaller or equal to 0, which counts down from 40 to 0, 40 ticks, which is exactly the time it takes from the animation start until the head swings up. And the only thing we need to do is the attack animation timeout here also has to be public. I'm unsure if this is a good way of doing it, but that is the way that I found this to work pretty well actually, and that is why I'm doing it like this. And then last but not least, we need two things in the Rhino entity, and that is of course the attack goal itself. So we want to say goal selected at goal. We're going to add this added priority 1. This is going to be a new Rhino attack goal, passing in this a speed modifier of 1, let's say, and then also here we need to pass in a true. I'm unsure.
Okay, that's it? There's no way that's it.
Sure, this is a following target, even if not seen. I kind of feel like that is a wrongly named variable. I don't know, because it seems to do something completely different, but who knows? I personally just set it to true and then it works. But we also need one more thing, and that is target. This is a target selector at goal, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a new target by target goal, passing in this. Now the target selector is different from the goal selector. The idea is that the target selector is like, hey, but if I were to attack something, what can I attack, right? There's quite a few different ones for the target goals. However, I don't even know that, yeah, there you go, target goals. So nearest attackable target goal, you can see there are defend village goals, polar bear hurt by target goal. So there's quite a few different target selectors that you can take. I'm just going to choose to basically hit the rhino, and then it's going to start hitting me back. That's basically the easiest way to demonstrate this, but that is the entirety of the animation. Basically, the animation is pretty easy. The logic behind getting the animation to work with the attack and stuff like that is a little bit more complicated, but overall it should be fine. If you want to have multiple animations for attacks, basically, well, you can have multiple animation states over here. You're probably going to need multiple different attack goals. I would assume that would make a little bit more sense, but that would be the way to do it. So to close this out, let's go into the game and see if it works.
I don't think I properly set the attack animation, right? Where did I set what the idle animation state is? It doesn't know. Whatever. I guess we'll go in and see what happens. Hello, Methy. Nothing much happened. We're just trying to get an attack animation working. And after the attack animation works, well... It's actually just making a lot of other entities first, because there's some complicated stuff that I need to do that, gets them all intertwined. Brother does not care. Oh! Oh, it's because the reach is weird. Let me make it think it's way longer. Of course, friend killed Methy. Ugh. What the heck? Am I tripping, or does he only Okay, I think I obviously messed something up in the attack goal there.
Alright, here we are back in Minecraft, and let's just go into survival mode, and if I hit him, we can see it comes to me, and there we go. Exactly on the upswing, basically, the actual animation or the attack hits, and that is exactly what you want to have happen. You can see, there you go. And if I remove myself a little bit from, you can see it actually doesn't start the animation until we're within reach, and then whack. That is exactly what you want to see, and that is custom attack animations, well, fairly straightforwardly added to Minecraft. And that's it for the Entity Saga. Next time in this video, we'll continue.
Maybe we do need one that, shoot, where? This is attacking is false, then attack animation state, stop. Maybe that fixes it? He hug all of us. Yeah, no, it's not an attack animation, it's a hug animation. Don't worry about it, bro. It's fine, you're safe. Yeah, so I didn't hook it up. I did start streaming early today, Arsenic. Congratulations, you woke up at 3 p.m. EST. Surely I must have missed a part.
Than you might think, but it does involve making a custom goal. And that's basically going to be the main thing that we need to take a look at. So first of all, we basically want to make the same thing that we've done with the idle animation, but with the attack animation. So when is this actually going to play? The way that this is going to work is in a couple of ways. Firstly, I'm going to make an entity data accessor. So I'm just going to add this and I'm going to explain what that craziness is. This is an entity data accessor of type boolean or attacking, and this is equal to a synced data entity data.define ID, rhino entity.class, and then entity data serializers.boolean. So this looks absolutely freaking crazy, but what is it? Basically, it is just a boolean that automatically synchronizes between the server and the client when we change it. That's basically the level of abstraction that you need for this. The rest is details that you don't really need to think about. We will need another animation state and timeout over here, so I'm going to call this the attack animation state and the attack animation timeout. There you go. And then a couple of helper methods as well as a very, very important method. So when we have an entity data accessor, we need to call the define synced data method right here. It's extremely important that we keep the super here, and we want to say this.entity data.define, passing and attacking, and the default value is going to be false. If we don't do this, then we will get an error and the game will crash, I believe. We're also going to make a public void set attacking, just with a boolean attacking, and that's just going to do this.entity data.set, passing in the attacking boolean right here, and then passing in the attacking right there. And then also to check what it is going to be a public boolean is attacking, which is going to return this.entity data.get, and then passing in attacking over here, and there you go. So that's going to be the three methods that we're going to need. And another thing in the setup animations here is basically the idea of when are we attacking, right? So this is going to be the following. So we're going to say this stuff is attacking. So if we are attacking and the attack animation timeout is smaller or equal to 0. If this is the case, then we're going to set the timeout to 80. Now this is the length in ticks of your animation. So this should always be, so in our case it's 80 because my animation is 4 seconds long. If you take a look at this, but the attack animation, you can see it's exactly 4 seconds long, and the actual hit happens at exactly 2 seconds. This will be important in just a moment when we actually create the goals. So if any of these numbers are different for you, you will need to either try out or calculate the numbers for you. This is one example. So there we go. Also, this is an if statement. I don't know what the if all of a sudden, but there you go. And then we want to say attack animation state start, passing in this.tick count, and there we go. In an else statement, we're going to do minus this.attack animation timeout, and there we go. But we also want to do something, and that is if we're no longer attacking, this.is attacking is false, then we want to say attack animation state.stop, because we don't want to finish the animation. We immediately want to stop the animation if we're no longer attacking, basically. So the logic of the animation is now set. We only need to now make sure that the animation state right here knows of the animation definition. That is once again done in the Rhino model, and it is actually as easy as duplicating the animate right here. Here we're going to say the attack animation state instead of the idle animation. We're going to choose the Rhino attack.
That's where I missed it. It is, yeah, in here. We want to change this to shoot, what am I? Yeah, attack animation state, and it's going to be fight. There we go. Oh, you just got back from work. I don't know, Arsenic. You just kind of give off that vibe. Alright. Brother hit me. Oh, did I see it? I obviously must have broken something. Like, he's trying to follow me around, but... Oh, that's him trying to look at me. So he's not playing the animation. Wow, that's annoying. Alright, well, first thing I'm probably gonna do is just, reverse this. Ugh. Well, clearly there's something else. Oh, messed up in here too. Because he also just won't hit me. So I must have messed up the rolls. When is too nice to attack. Unfortunately for him, that's exactly what I need him to do. Well... isn't it working? Maybe I didn't... Maybe I wasn't supposed to mess with that. Oh. Okay, so he did play it. That's good to know. Just gonna say if true. Dang, Meffy with the hot take. This isn't Shane, Chet. Chet, is this real? What? Guess I died. Skill issue for real. Okay, so he has this huge delay and infinite reach. Okay, maybe I think that's all I really need to edit. Oh wait, that's right. I also want to change the delay. Okay, so ticks until next attack needs to be changed. So, where does bro actually strike? At 1 second, so it's just a simple 20. There we go. Please do not cancel me. It's too late for you, Meffy. Police are already on their way. I think bro's confused again. You can't see the name of the song again? You should be able to. Because you can on my screen. What do you mean Ultra Troll? It's right there. Oh, and this is when you Ultra Trolled me. Alright, well, I think... Obviously, there's a problem in here. Why is there gullible written on the floor? That's insane. I had no idea it did that. Mess with the UI scale. So he's still doing, nothing. It's too quiet. You guys are never happy. Whoa. So it seems that obviously still poorly timed. I mean, it works though. He giving me a smooch. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a smooch. Oh, I think I see the issue here. Of course that's not right. Oh, wait. No, that just straight up needs to be 50. Yes, a very delayed smooch. Hey! That's not... Okay, that wasn't timed right. Neither was that. See, that should have damaged me right there. Okay, well, there's obviously still something messed up here. I don't know if it is this. Well, let's change it just in case. Okay, so... Oh, maybe that'll work? Thank you, Ed. So that still isn't timed right. First one was always great, but not after that. So why? Should be 50. Maybe this is too big? I don't think it is, but I don't know, we'll see. Well, that's not right at all. Ah! I need to do a system.out.println the dist enemy square so that I know it's actually the distance. Okay, so this is 40. Should probably be able to attack you within the 25 range. Favorite skulk block in the deeper and darker mod? I don't know. I don't know what skulk block it adds. So obviously, still not the right timing. We are indeed testing the goober. Favorite wool color? That's not even a question. It's just purple. The objectively superior color. Okay, so I don't know what's going on here. If I had a chance to change something, what do you even mean? Like, change what and where? Favorite modded ore type? And what does that even mean? Usable? I'm still at a complete loss as to why this isn't working. It's the timings, but what of the timings? Oh, you mean like, tin or steel or something. Yeah, I don't really know about that one either. Most modded ores usually are kind of boring, so I don't really have any good examples for that one. Celestial netherite, I've never heard of it. Time to start the attack animation. It checks if it ticks until next attack is less than the attack delay. So this needs to be 18. Right? Right? It ticks until next attack is the one that deals damage. And attack delay isn't. So let's make these 19. Yeah, attack delay is the big one. The big one should be 50. Add a drug biome. Do not add a drug biome. Add a drug biome. Don't add a drug biome. Please add a drug biome. You guys are so united. Add a moss biome. Alright, let's see if the timing works for this one. Okay, that's a bit fast. Honestly, I don't super know what's going on. Boycott my channel until drug biome is added. Your loss, Methy. See that. I don't get it. That shouldn't be the initial cooldown. It's not. What the heck is this? Shouldn't it just... do that? See, that's... reading this wrong? Where do we set and check attack delay? Maybe that's what's not being set properly. That's very weird. I don't see this getting used anywhere. Those are the only two places it gets used. I don't know, that won't work, will it? Neo, how do I be like you? Want a tutorial? I don't know, you're already calm guy. You got something going for yourself. For real, for real. Okay, let's see if that worked. Might have messed it up completely, but we'll see. Okay, so it did literally nothing. What on earth? Maybe it's because I'm not setting them to actual numbers. And I'm running it through whatever that weird function is. This is very frustrating. Why on earth? I got to go code it like this. This is so weird. I think that'll fix it. You will also consume the drug vial. Glad y'all are so invested in the drug vial. Alright, let's see it. Did it break it completely, or did it magically fix it? It did literally nothing. How? I'm making such major changes to the framework. Ticks until next attack has to equal 0. And the only place ticks until next attack is edited. Always smaller. So what if I did this? When is attack delay changed? This should make it never attack. You're correct, Amico. Blasphemy, they are. Absolute heretics. Alright, so I think this is gonna make it so that it just never attacks, right? Yeah. Okay. So I just always do this dot attack delay. Now we should have something that works, I think. Attack delay will always decrease. It also might make it completely unpredictable. We'll have to see. Yep, it's brought us back to square one. So oh wait, if we do it like that, then we do want this. So if this ticks until next attack is less than the attack delay. It's time to start the attack animation. You start the attack animation, and then you start counting down for attack delay. After attack delay is 0, and you perform the attack. And should also be doing this. Maybe this will work. Ah, hello, reptile miner. I guess one's already called. So that seems like it did nothing. Because it needed like this. No, I think that's gonna break it. Or it made it perfect. Well, isn't that neat? It goes spin. I need to give him a bit more health. Although I think technically we will probably be fighting him in gear that looks a bit more like this. Oh. Yeah, so he does quite it. Yeah, definitely a bit menacing if you're not careful. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. It's a good milestone. It's a good time to call it quits. So, thank you all for attending the stream. Thank you. Elo was fun. Bad time. Thank you, I'm a turtle. Yes, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.